Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking to illuminate a large area, whether that's inside or outside, you have got to check out these amazing solar powered floodlights that we got from Nuxniao. As you can see, we have a really large space that we wanted to get light into. Some features of these lights that we really like are that first, they come with a very heavy duty large solar panel. We just mounted that to the outside of our large warehouse and then threaded the cords through the opening into our warehouse. And then both of the wires to the different lights are very long. So we were able to place them strategically in order to illuminate the entire area. Because of our setup, we did end up using different screws than what came with the kit. And we did need to use an Allen wrench in order to remove the brackets on the lights in order to use an electric tool to place the brackets. But installation went really quickly, and we're so pleased with how sleek they look and, of course, how bright they are. We got the 60-watt lights. These come with a remote, and it has an auto on and off feature, so they'll come automatically on at dusk and then go off at dawn. You can also put them on a timer, or you can choose to have them brighter or dimmer. There's a lot of different options, and we love all of them. These have been absolutely perfect for our use. We think you're going to love them too, and that's our point of view.